Today I'm flying one of the oldest planes you can still fly in with Air France. Built in the 90s and updated in 2014, this business class seat still holds some vintage charm and has quite a few years under its belt. But how does it compare to the brand new Air France business class I flew recently? Is newer actually better, or are the old seats still pretty good? Stick around to find out. This one's gonna be interesting. Not a lot of time to check out the lounge today. We're going straight to the gate to check in for our Air France flight. We start this experience off with a fairly spacious seat, an outdated monitor with a button release, a footrest with some storage beneath it, a relatively large counter space, a controller for the entertainment screen, a reading light, and a very spacious storage cabinet with a set of headphones and a mirror. The seat itself comes with some detailing and a sizable leather headrest. On the side, we have a USB port and universal outlet, and from beneath the counter space comes the tray table. All right, we've taken off now on Air France business class. This is one of their older products, so in terms of the hard product, the seat itself, I can't say I'm overly impressed, but Air France does do the food and drink really well, and that's about to start, so I'm really looking forward to trying some of the food, lunch service on this flight en route to Paris.
Et pour la petite plate réveil.
Oui, je vais...
Vous allez prendre le petit déjeuner?
Oui, merci.
Et je vois que vous avez un bel appareil photo.
Oui, merci, j'ai fait un vlog pour le YouTube.
Ah, d'accord. Mais, et du coup, vous comparez quelle compagnie en fait?
Sorry, English is better.
Ah, sorry. Which airline you compare?
This one's just Air France business class, but I did Air France a few times.
Do you think that the business class here matches with the other?
Food is really good,
Okay.
and the wine as well.
But about the comfort of the seat?
The seats, so I did the new business class last month.
That slide
The one
like
with the
this,
door, yeah. I like that one. That one's good. So hopefully this one, this is a bit older, right? After my lovely chat with the hostess, I was well underway to the part of this flight that excited me the most, the food. Opening the meal was the only appetizer on the menu, the scallop tartare. So we've just kicked things off with some seafood amuse-bouche and some of these cheese crackers. Pretty tasty start so far. Up next was the salmon and crab duo, which like the starter was absolutely amazing. Now I've got to say the salmon appetizer was really strong as well, just the right amount of saltiness. Really enjoyed it. Looking forward to seeing how the chicken main course is going to taste. Okay, super interesting here for the chicken, the main course. There's this extra sauce on the side that you're supposed to drip on. You don't see this often, but very much a staple of Air France's elevated offerings in terms of food and drink. Let's give it a go. The chicken was delicious as expected, which adds to the exceptional culinary experiences that I've had on Air France business class. And last but not least, dessert came with an assortment of sweets and a selection of calming tea. The amenity kit comes in a very nicely designed bag equipped with the basics: some creams, a toothbrush, toothpaste, socks, and an eye mask. Now there's actually quite a few different restrooms here at Air France's old 777 business class, and the biggest one you'll see is here at the front of the business class cabin. Fairly spacious, mirrors on two different sides, making it feel very large. Down here you've got the sink, you've got some toilet paper over here, and then over on this side you've got the amenities: hydrating toning lotion and Vitality freshness firmness. There's also this bench that you can fold down if you need to sit or relax or change into some different clothes. And of course the toilet right here. Now, after checking out the bathroom, I had hoped to get some work done, but clearly that wasn't going to be possible because the Wi-Fi was broken. So instead, I poured myself some juice from the self-serve bar, grabbed a quick snack, and decided to get some rest. Now, there's about 6 hours of the flight left to go before we land in Paris. We departed Vancouver at around 1 p.m., so not necessarily bedtime yet, but I did have a pretty tiring day before I took off on this flight. It was our event weekend in Vancouver. Super busy day from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. So now I'm actually ready to go to sleep, get an early rest, hopefully get like 4 or 5 hours of rest on this flight before waking up to have breakfast and then making an early morning landing in Europe. It's still bright outside, but we've lowered the window shades and it's time to get some rest. So I'll see you in the morning. With only an hour left to go, I woke up with a nice spread for breakfast, which included some scrambled eggs, bacon and spinach, as well as some granola and yogurt. And of course, I asked for a cappuccino, which I was able to enjoy with the tarmac views upon landing. Alright, now that we've wrapped up that video, I'm here at Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport waiting for my next flight, catching the men's room. But go check out this video next because that's Air France's new business class, a much better seat than the one I just flew previously. Beautiful interiors, still excellent food, and an amazing seat in the first row that's among the best in the world. I'll just see you in that video.